This is how far I've gotten on the fuselage. I've completed the hookup, the control hookup back there. It's very tight. It's inside the fuselage. Maybe I'll flip it over and show it to you, but that's going to be okay. We've also got the motor mount pretty much ready to go. Most of the plywood parts and sheeting is done except for just the top of the fuselage. And I've got the motor in there, I've got the nose gear, I've got the fuel tubing, gas tank, got all the servos, all the linkages in there. And the thing's looking pretty good. It's all sheeted now. I just got to do the final sanding, and I'm going to take everything out for that because I don't want all the sawdust to go everywhere. As you can see, I've gotten quite a bit more done. The top the fuselage is all sheeted. I got the wing bolted on, and I even did the tail cone. I've got that sanded down and fixed. The surfaces are just stuck on there temporarily. I'm not real thrilled the way the wing bolts go through halfway through the wing. I may change that, put a hardwood block in there and bring the wing bolts up on the top surface. The tail cone was a real pain in the butt to shape all that underneath the block and everything that's there to get that to fit. I've got it so it'll come off like that, and I'll be able to cover the plane and then put the tail cone on and make any adjustments to the clevis if I need to for the elevator. But it kind of goes on there. And I've got the cowl blocks installed for attaching the cowling, and the rest of the front cowl parts. And interestingly, I learned when doing the tail cone that the butyrate, anyway, the CA glue works real well to put that together, but you got to be very careful to get everything cut, sanded, and lined up perfectly before you glue. Oh, you might notice in the cabin there, I've got some extra reinforcement on the sides on the wing posts. You know, I'd hate to see that get broken on a little wing over, you know, if I dragged a wingtip or something. So hopefully that'll help take care of that.